Rice, gel, beads, microwavable, oh my. Warm compresses, there's a million ways to do them. What's the best and what's going to give you the most results with the least amount of effort? Let me tell you what option is actually the best. Lid scrubs and warm compresses are the foundation of a healthy tear film and healthy eyes. They're going to help you have clear, comfortable vision, make your contact lenses be more clear and comfortable. It's also going to make it so your eyes are less red when you wake up and go throughout the day. Now, that being said, we're going to save the lid scrub conversation for another video. Today, I want to talk to you about warm compresses, my favorite methods of doing them, and how to get the most results with the least amount of effort. Before I actually tell you about what type of warm compress I want you to use, why are we doing this? Well, remember, the lids produce the oil layer of the tear film. The oil layer keeps the tear film on your eyes and not watering onto your face. So the goal is to open up the glands and get oil to express out. When they're plugged up or obstructed, your tear film's unstable, you get red, irritated, dry eyes. That's where the warm compress will give you some relief. To do a proper warm compress, you need to heat the lid margin up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 straight minutes. 104, 10 minutes. Leave a like below if you've not been doing it the right way. Now, one of our entry-level options is a d.e.r.m mask. The d.e.r.m mask is a mask filled with little beads that you put in a microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now, time varies depending on your microwave, but don't go too long too fast. Heat it up, take it out. You do not want to burn your eyes. Once you take it out and it's warm to the touch, but not too warm that it's going to burn you, put it on your eyes and you sit there for 10 minutes. Now, the d.e.r.m mask will get that sustained heat at 104 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 to 7 minutes. You're going to have to reheat it to get that full 10 minutes, but a little is better than none. If you don't have a severe form of dry eye or meibomian gland dysfunction, then the d.e.r.m mask is an entry-level mask that will get the job done for what you need. The next mask I want to talk to you about is the Tranquilize XL mask. It looks just like this, very similar to the d.e.r.m mask. This mask can provide 15 plus minutes of that sustained heat. Now, how does it do it? There's these little gel packs. You've probably seen these before if you've ever lived in a state that has snow. When you're outside skiing, snowmobiling, just being active, these little gel packs you put in your gloves. Well, these packs are made specifically for your eyes. You wiggle the little foil and the pack becomes hot. This heat will last that 15 plus minutes and it's going to give you that sustained heat that you need to keep your eyes healthy and happy. The beauty of that is you don't need a microwave. Now, the caveat to that is once the gel is done, you have to boil it to get it back to be in a state that it can be used again. It's nice that it's reusable, but you might want to have a few gel packs because it gets a little annoying having to boil it after every single use. If that's annoying to you, but you want the sustained heat, the Tranquilize XL mask does have microwavable beads. These will heat up in a microwave, and then again, you put it on your eyes for that 10 to 15 minutes. Now remember, these Tranquilize masks are for more severe cases. Even if you're entry level, just a mild form of dryness or irritation, this is still the mask that I would recommend because it's so versatile. If you ever get an eyelid infection, this is the mask I want you to get. Now, a little pro tip here, these gel packs come with little pillowcases that they go in. Take these little pillowcases, get them wet. Put the pillowcase on top of the gel pack, and then you're gonna get a moist heat that will make the warm compress that much more effective. All right, so what's the third kind of warm compress? That's any warm compress. A little is always better than none. I'm not here to lecture you and say you need 104 degrees at 10 minutes or don't do it at all. Any little bit of effort is going to give you a little bit of result. So when you're looking at the hierarchy of best masks, the Tranquilize XL mask is my go-to, d.e.r.m is number 2, and any warm compress you can do that shows me you're putting in the effort is number 3. So the moral of the story is a little is better than none, but try to be as productive as you can because it does take effort and you want to have that effort have some kind of result. So if you found value from this video, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.